Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and today I will show you how to format your SD card. So to get started, simply navigate into the settings, then scroll down to storage, tap on your SD card, then you want to select those three dots and go to storage settings. And in here, as you will see, there is a format option. So select format SD card. This will begin the process, which only takes a couple seconds. And it should be right about done. There we go. Click on done and it's finished. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.